Bigger and better, or bigger and bigger? These are some fundamental questions, or the fundamental question that Sydney needs to answer in the coming decades. It's critical that Sydney grows, but as it grows, it gets bigger. With our public domain, with our infrastructure, with the way we plan our cities, both from the point of view of a region to a precinct to a street, we need to ensure that Sydney grows, but also gets better as it grows.
There's so many opportunities for how we can do it better than we have in the past. With any sort of infrastructure, there needs to be a civic dimension to it, and I think that's been missing in the last 20 or 30 years. We've tended to see these projects as more engineering projects only, and not design projects, not civic projects. Architects, more than anyone, have a design skill that covers the full range of planning, of buildings, of public space, of engineering, and they can bring their skills to help bring all these things together.
Well, architecture and design has the potential and the capacity to actually deliver much better outcomes for infrastructure development, and much better integration between placemaking on the one hand and system development on the other. And infrastructure often is developing systems, transport, moving around systems, hospital, healthcare, housing systems, which have to be integrated with the idea is great design and great placemaking.
So Sydney sees itself as one of the great global cities, which means we need to compare ourselves to the great global cities, to put ourselves in the same sentence as Paris or London or New York. We're excited about the quality of the urban space, of the public domain, whether it's parks, whether it be monuments, whether it be museums, but also the infrastructure, the metro stations and the way people move around. And Sydney's got to see itself in the same light as these cities. And that's why it's important to have the quality of the design and the design excellence in every single part of any of these sorts of projects.
It's connectivity, livability, and great placemaking that makes cities wonderful.